It's here from the Working Yarn, and today I'm bringing you a Yarn 101. It is from the Red Heart Super Saver, and while I have solid colors here, there are others. It comes in ombres, stripes. There are some that it's mostly solid colors, but they have some like flecks of other colors within them. And with all these variations of their yarn, they have 149 to choose from. So whatever project you're working on, and if you need yarn, you most likely will find the color that you're looking for with the Red Heart Super Saver. So the colorways that I have here, up top I have the Aran, so it's like a beigeish cream kind of color, off-white type. And in the middle I have light blue, and up bottom I have the claret, which I'm hoping it comes across in the video because the claret has this nice plum slash red wine type color. It's really lovely. And let me just put these off to the side, just bring one in just to talk more about it. This yarn is a medium 4 weight, so it's right in the middle. And if you're knitting, it asks that you use a 5mm US 8 knitting needles, and if you're crocheting, a 5.5mm I/9 hook. And one of the other great things, besides its many colors to choose from, is that it's machine washable and dryable. So that's awesome right there. It's 100% acrylic, so if you have allergies, or if you're knitting or crocheting something for someone else and they have allergies to animal fibers, or if you just don't want to use animal fibers, this is a great yarn to use. So always look like for 100% acrylic. And this has no dye lot. So if you're not familiar with dye lots, if a yarn has a dye lot for that particular skein or ball of yarn or hank, if you need multiple balls of yarn for your project and it has a dye lot, then you need to pick those balls of yarn of the same dye lot, so that way there's no slight variation of color, and because when you use them all up, you may notice a difference if you use different dye lots. But this yarn does not have that, so if you are just knitting something or crocheting something and you don't know how many you'll need, you can just pick up one, and then if you go back, just pick up another, and there won't be any variation to your whole project. This is 7 ounces and 198 grams, 364 yards, and 333 meters. So you do get a lot of yarn in just one skein. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, to hit the subscribe button below. And that way you'll get all the latest videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!